Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to do a really fun resin project. I'm going to make a resin seascape and we're going to do it on this little dolphin. So I got this really beautiful dolphin shaped piece of wood from Michael's and I thought it would be really fun to paint it an ocean theme in resin. So here are my supplies. I got some seashells and I got some mica powder. This mica powder is from Artiza. It was sent to me to review, so thank you so much. This box comes with 60 colors. It's multi-purpose, cosmetic grade, and non-toxic. Here in the back, you can see all the different colors that this set comes with. Oh my goodness, isn't it beautiful? In addition to epoxy, you can use it for soap, nail polish, eyeshadows, and other makeup. Okay, let's take a look at the powder. Oh my goodness, look at this. So it comes with a tiny little spoon, which is always handy. And let's take a look at this. So this is royal orange. Wow, the pigment looks really vivid. And you get quite a lot too. So there's orange. Oh, look at this one. Emerald green. More green. These colors are beautiful. Look at this. Look at all these blues that you get. And I love that they come in bottles. Usually my mica powder comes in baggies and it can get a little bit messy. So these bottles are a really nice touch. Alright, there's so many bright, beautiful colors. So let's pick a few colors for our ocean theme. And I think we have to pick some blues and greens, of course. Let's see. Should we do like 4 colors? There's just so many. In addition to the mica powder, I also received some holographic chunky glitter from Artiza. So the glitter comes in little bottles like this, and it seems like you get quite a lot. This one is so pretty. And since we're using resin, make sure to have a respirator with an organic filter, some gloves, open the window, and turn on the fan. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so one of the first things we want to do is cover the back with some tape. So I am using some blue tape, painter's tape, to cover the back. And this tape is used to catch the resin drippings in the back. This way the back won't be stained with resin. We're going to press it down nice and hard along the edges so that it's nice and sealed. And we're going to trim off the excess. Alright, this is looking really good. Our back is completely covered with the tape. Next, we're going to use some acrylic paint to seal the wood and also give me a guideline on where I want to pour the resin. So I haven't quite decided if I want the ocean waves to go this way or to come from the tail. I'm kind of thinking coming from the bottom up because we can put some sand down here, some seashells, and then the rest be ocean. And we don't need to be too precise here because a lot of this paint will be covered up by the resin. So we're just going to paint the bottom here. And then if it changes, it changes. On the top, we're going to paint it blue. Once the paint has dried, we can pour our first layer of resin. This is just a clear layer of resin. On top, we're going to sprinkle some sand so that it sticks to the board. Next, we're going to add some starfish and seashells to the top of the sand. We're going to dip each piece into clear resin before adding it to the sand. This way we know for sure that it's coated in resin. Once we're done, I'm going to give it a few hours to cure. So we're going to do this in multiple layers. The first layer, I picked 3 colors here. We're going to do light plum, aqua blue, and lavender. We're going to mix them into separate cups of resin. I'm adding a lot because I want the colors to be opaque and cover the paint underneath. These colors are really vivid and it mixes really well too. If you're interested in any of the products I'm using in this project, check out the links listed in my description down below. And you can also visit the Arteza YouTube channel for inspiration. We're going to pour it one at a time. First the aqua blue, then the light plum, and finally lavender. So it seems like I didn't make enough resin to cover the board, so in the back I'm going to add a layer of bright blue. Now we're ready to add some seafoam. I'll be using Casting Craft in white. Before we add the white, I'm going to add a bit of clear on top of the colored layer first. Then we'll add the white on top. This will prevent the white from mixing into the color too much. Using my heat gun, we're going to blow the waves out. This is the first time I'm doing an ocean piece this big, and I can tell right now that my heat gun is not powerful enough to really move the white out. I think I'm going to invest in the bigger heat gun the next time I do a project this size. And just for fun, let's just add a little bit of glitter. Then we'll wait for the resin to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and here is our first layer. I think it is looking really good. We got a lot of colors in here. Today we're going to add a second layer and this time it's going to be mostly blue. So a lot of this color will be covered up, but some of it will still shine through. So let's go ahead and add that second layer. Here we're mixing a lighter blue and a darker blue. I'm going to be using French blue for the light one and sapphire blue for the darker one. I'm really liking this mica powder. It mixes so easily. And we're going to do the same thing as the previous layer. As you can see from this angle, the heat gun is not moving the white very much. So I really need a bigger and more powerful one. So it's been another day and we're ready for a final layer. This time I'm only going to use sapphire blue. I'm going to add more clear near the front, add another line of white, blow it out, and wait another day for it to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and our dolphin is done. So here on the back is the last step. We just have to take off these little drippings. Look at that. I think it actually kind of looks cool. So we should be able to just peel them off. So we're just going to peel them off along with the tape. It's really nice to have that bit of tape there. It keeps the resin from sticking. Alright everyone, and here is our dolphin. Take a look. What do you think? I really like it. I love all the different colors coming out from the ocean. We have the teal here in the front, going down to kind of a magenta purple, and then over to the blue. Oh my goodness, it looks really, really great. I love how easy it was to mix the mica powder too, so you don't see any clumps in the mixture. Sometimes some of the other mica powders I've used, occasionally you'll see little clumps of unmixed powder, but these mixed really well and really easily. So if you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!